That's a big one.
Thanks, Garrett. Wow. Oh, good one. A little further. There you go.
Oh, that's a toadster.
Tail in there too.
Yep.
I think it's 19 plus. What a fish. Look at this thing, man. You inhaled that streamer. All right, see you later, boss.
Oh, that's a big one.
Thanks, dude. Wow. You got some amazing video of that?
Right now, yeah.
Look at this beautiful fish. It just inhaled this white streamer. Gonna get a release on this.